Decking materials can be broadly classified into three types: softwood, hardwood, and composite. Here is a brief overview of each. 1. Softwood decking. Softwood decking is made from coniferous trees such as treated pine in Australia. It is generally cheaper than hardwood or composite decking and is easy to work with. However, softwood decking may require more maintenance than other types of decking due to its susceptibility to rot, insect damage, and weathering. 2. Hardwood decking. Hardwood decking is made from dense, durable wood species such as teak, blackbutt, jarrah, spotted gum, and merbau. It is more expensive than softwood decking but is also more durable and resistant to weathering, rot, and insect damage. Hardwood decking can also be more aesthetically pleasing due to its rich colors and grain patterns. 3. Composite decking. Composite decking is made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic materials. It is a relatively new type of decking material and has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its low maintenance requirements, resistance to rot and insect damage, and longevity. Composite decking is available in a wide range of colors and textures and can mimic the look of wood without the maintenance requirements. When choosing a decking material, it is important to consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, cost, and aesthetic preferences. In next video, we will show you the materials uses for close-to-ground decking.